This is the unboxing of WD Green Series 240GB SATA internal SSD. Purchased from Amazon at Rs 2700. You can check the current price, link in the description below. This is the all-in-one laptop PC desktop internal SSD. It has a 3-year brand warranty. With the sequential read speed up to 545 MB per second, it quickly boots your system, launch apps and open files. And the form factor is 2.5 inch. More details about this SSD in the description below. That's it. Thank you for watching.